This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, December 13th. Stock index futures trading higher. Seems to be somewhat of a better feeling about the possibility of a U.S.-China trade agreement. Of course, that was news from several days ago. One new fundamental, though, it appears that European Central Bank President Mario Draghi, in his comments today, seemed to be, I would say, a little bit dovish in what he had to say, so that may be another supporting factor for stock index futures. Longer term, though, I believe that the slowing global economy will cause central banks to become a bit more accommodative, those that are hawkish to be less hawkish, and I think that will ultimately rescue this market. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index a little bit higher and the euro currency trading lower. This after ECB President Mario Draghi, actually I believe having comments that were a little bit surprising in his assessment of the Eurozone economy. I believe that the ECB may be in a situation where, of course, they said that they are cutting back on their accommodation, ending their asset buying program this month. But I think next year they may have to extend accommodation, which I believe is not their plan currently. That in itself suggests that there may be a little pressure in the euro currency if accommodation is extended. All of which, though, is bullish for the interest rate futures markets if central banks cannot raise rates or have to extend accommodation. So I would focus my attention there. The credit markets, I think, is where most of the fundamentals line up one way, and that is to the bullish side. So any weakness we see in the 30-year Treasury bond futures should be used as a buying opportunity. And I think there's going to be a bull market that I believe has already started in the interest rate markets that will last for quite a few months. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.